You'll hear the term equity used a lot when speaking, about investments. When it comes to real estate, you're going to hear the term home equity used a lot. But what exactly is home equity? Well, simply put, the equity in your home is essentially the appraised or fair market value minus any encumbrances on that piece of real estate. Usually, any liens or encumbrances on your home or real estate would be your mortgage and any other types of liens. So to determine how much equity you have in the home, you would take that fair market value, subtract any encumbrances or liens on the home, and that would equal your equity. I hope that helps. We're going to go ahead and link a playlist with many tips, including how you can establish and build equity at a much faster than normal rate, and benefits in pulling equity out of your home. Feel free to reach out, comment below with any questions, or give us a call. I hope everybody has a great day.